Okay, so the boss says that we're gonna change oil, right? So stick a tube on here, goes down in there, and then we need to change the oil filter. Oil filter, wrench, just perfect. Oh, that one's on hard. Actually, might be the wrong way. Yes, I think it was the wrong way. So I think I can take it off behind now. Might be a little bit of a mess here, but see if we can manage. Yes. Yeah, it's usually a little bit of a mess. Wash them hands off. And I think that's a big filter. Not sure. I think we'll just use this little guy. Should do the job. Should never filter tighten these things because they're just a pain to get off. So, yeah, there we go. Now, focuses in. Not. I think we got a little bit coming yet. I think you can see it there. Yeah, so I think it's done now. Try to turn that. Pull this tube off. Put it on the sink again. Up on the wall. Dump that oil out. There we go. Close that again. Make sure that's nice and tight. And not sure how much oil that beast takes. But so we can see we got about 2 quarts. It won't, like, which I can assure you it won't take 2 quarts because it's only a single cylinder. Usually a 2-cylinder takes as a 2-quart system. So I'm guessing about 1.5 or something. Say we're about at a quart there. So we'll give it a try again. Let's see what it says. Good, it's showing quart. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's showing a quart. And we'll put another half quart in. Okay, that's showing half quart. Probably can't see it on camera, but showing like half quart. So let's check the oil level. That's about right. You can see it or not, but it's a little air full. We wanted air full because it splashes up into the filter and takes a little bit up. So, yeah, I'd say that's job done well. So, yeah, I think that's all for this oil change, and like and subscribe.